gonna get my hair cut and my hair wash, and it's gonna be so cute and handsome.
Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Portia, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for being here. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I will be doing plaits in my son's hair. This is the first time I've ever done an actual style besides 2 braids on his hair. So I am not using any water because I know that he has super fine hair and the water will make it very hard to braid and it will not stay. So what I am going to use is the Bask and Bloom twisting cream because it's very moisturizing for his hair. And not only is it moisturizing, it leaves his curls super defined. And on top of that, it smells really, really good. And it doesn't have any of the alcohol and the parabens and all the other stuff that a lot of the other products have. I do tend to use a lot of my hair products on my kids because they're over the age of 1. Well, my son is 1, so I use a lot of my hair products on him just to see if they will work for kids, and they do because they're mostly natural products. And kids products as well, I use both just to make sure of what I can find in the store or what I can order online. But for this, I love the Bask and Bloom line, and it works amazingly. If your kids have fine hair, I suggest you spray water. If you're just doing curls for the day, you can just spray water and then add the twisting cream to their hair, and it will define their curls amazingly. And this product is not expensive. I will link the website down below in the description box. Also, if you've not seen a wash day on this, I will link my daughter's video down below so you can see how the shampoo and the conditioner also work on kids' hair. I do not wash his hair with the soap. I barely wash my son's hair. I think I wash his hair once a month because I don't use a lot of product in his hair. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, since he has super fine hair and his hair is super, super, super curly, he wore this style for about 4 days and I took it out because his hair started to curl back up and then it started to frizz. But if your kids do not have hair like my son, you can still use this product. The product will work. It will moisturize their hair because I've used it on my hair and I do not have hair like my son. I've used it on my hair and it works amazingly. It moisturizes your curls. It leaves them shining. It makes them feel soft. So if you guys want this product, make sure you guys click the link down in my description box and order it for yourself and test it out on your kids' hair, test it out on your hair, and just test it out to see for yourself whether you like it or not, because I really do enjoy this product. So I am going to stop rambling and I will let you guys watch me do my son's hair. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the end of this video.
Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I feel lost without you and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I feel lost without you and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, 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 all night.
They can't see you. Peace.